Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here from Ace Supply. This is going to be a multi-set of marking tape, I think. It should be. Yes, and it is. Check it out. Look at all the different colors of marking tape we got in here. So I'll show you guys what they are and how they look. And so I've got one here. I actually have one here that I got out earlier. And you can see there are all the different colors here. So we have, I don't know what this is, orange maybe, and blue and pink and whatever like that. But look how good it is. It's nice thin tape and it's great for marking stuff, so you can mark different things, different colors. So if we're like here working on some of these trees, we can mark and say, okay, the blue ones are the ones that we want to cut down, and the yellow ones are the ones that we want to treat for fungus and whatnot. So different issues that we might have with different trees. So we have different colors, so we can mark different things, different colors. So that's why we got a whole different set here for some of the anything that we want to do out here. So it's really nice to have, and this is really nice tape. It cuts easy, and I was able to just pull it apart to rip it, but it is strong and flexible as well. So totally cool. Thumbs up.